not only for providing relief from a variety of health imbalances, but also leading a hale and healthy day. With the noble intention of bestowing health for all, Astacare introduces astaxanthin, branded as Astalife, the nutritional dietary supplement about which we are here to make you enlightened. Health is wealth is an ancestral proverb that emphasizes the importance of health for all. It will be fair to say that we are put to face quite a long stretch of challenges concerning health during this 21st century due to the fact that even as we witness and live on with scientific advancement in our day-to-day life, it's evident that we are lagging much behind when it comes to health aspects. Apart from the common health issues like diabetes, blood pressure, heart ailments, cancer, skin diseases and paralysis, there are other numerous forms of maladies that are observed affecting even the younger generation, and it's quite evident. In order to find a way out and minimize the risk of being affected by these chronic diseases and to help the people live a healthy life, Astacare comes up with astaxanthin, a remedial antioxidant obtained from nature. Astaxanthin is derived from an infinitesimal kind of seaweed known as Hematococcus pluvialis that originates and develops in deep water. Astaxanthin can be extracted when these seaweeds are put to unfavorable conditions by nature. For example, when these seaweeds turn red from its original green color due to excess temperature and lack of nourishment, astaxanthin can be obtained. Astaxanthin serves as a powerful antioxidant. It helps to control free radicals that develop in human body. Let us see what free radicals are. When oxygen molecules split into single atoms that have unpaired electrons, they become unstable free radicals that seek other atoms or molecules to bond to. If this continues to happen, it begins a process called oxidative stress. In the present scenario, we observe disruptive climate changes due to various factors that include air pollution, geometical oxidants that are used for the faster growth of vegetables and fruits, stimulant injection and doses, fast foods and excess radiation. These are the causes for the formation of excessive free radicals in our body that in turn causes oxidative stress and inflammation that may even result in affecting the DNA system in the human body. In general, antioxidants help in reducing the electrons in free radicals that form in human body and prevents from oxidative stress and inflammation. Although there are quite a number of antioxidants available in the market, astaxanthin is observed as most adept and considered as the king of antioxidant in the present consequential medical situation. Due to the creation of a layer or a cloud of electron around the molecules of astaxanthin, the antioxidant becomes capacitated to confront and decimate many free radicals at a time. This antioxidant easily dissolves in liquid and cholesterol and thus acts effectively in the inner and outer layers of the body cells, unlike less effective antioxidants. There is another important factor in astaxanthin is that it does not have pro-oxidant activity characteristics. Generally, vitamin C, D and E act as a pro-oxidant and create oxidative stress in human body. Astaxanthin seldom acts as a pro-oxidant and instead acts as an antioxidant that helps eliminate free radicals. Thus, this is considered as a king of antioxidants. To add to the above factors, Astaxanthin is 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 800 times mightier than coenzyme molecules. It also performs 510 times more vigorous than vitamin E and 3,000 times more energetic than resveratrol. Astaxanthin was introduced to this world by Japan's Fuji Chemical Industries in the brand name of Astareal. The molecules of this product are adopted by Astacare to produce Astalife, which is branded as the trademark of its products. Astareal's astaxanthin has been subjected to more than 400 experimental and observational procedures before having certified as the best antioxidant product that holds 40 and more patents. Astareal's astaxanthin molecule was approved and registered by US FDA in the year 1999. Now, let's have an overall view on the various special characteristics of Astalife astaxanthin. Diabetes control. Controls insulin deficiency in the pancreas and helps in reducing the sugar level. Helps in preserving systematic blood circulation and thus reduces the risk of diabetic disorders and after effects. Liver control. Refreshes the liver corpuscles and protects the liver. Acts as a very powerful antioxidant and dynamically increases the immunity resistance power of the body. Brain control. Drastically reduces the brain disorders such as memory loss and amnesia. Prevents the risks of paralysis. Helps in averting the causes and providing management to various kinds of headaches. Muscle control. Helps in keeping ailments like arthritis and asthma in control. Heart. Helps in keeping blood vessels in the heart clear and intact and thus provides prevention from heart ailments such as cardiac arrest and heart failure. Skin care. Prevents various types of skin diseases like skin shrinkage, dry skin and broken skin and helps protect the skin. Intestine. Protects the intestine from various disorders and deficiencies. Eye care. Prevents eye-related ailments such as eye fistula, eye sore, swollen or puffy eyes. So, let's make good use of Astacare, Astalife's astaxanthin, a health product of its kind, not only for providing relief from variety of health imbalances, but also for leading a hale and healthy day-to-day life all along.